The sound ow. How is the sound ow pronounced?
It is pronounced ow.
Can you say ow?
Ow, 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 ow.
Very good. The sound ow has many different spellings. These include OU, OW, and OUGH. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings.
Clow,
D,
cloud,
K,
ow,
cow,
b,
ow.
bow. The sound ow is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the lower part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound ow. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound ow.
Looking up at the sky, she noticed a cow-shaped cloud. Quick recap time.
The sound ow has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced ow and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like cloud, cow, and bow all include the sound ow.